Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable apps running in background in Windows 10 so your apps can stay updated and work smoothly even when you are not actively using them. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen and select the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. The Settings window is where you control system features and preferences in Windows 10. This is the first place to manage app permissions. Step 2. Inside the Settings window, click on Privacy to access privacy and permission controls. The Privacy section allows you to manage how apps use your data and system resources. It is important because background activity is controlled from here. Step 3. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down to the App Permissions section and click on Background Apps. This option specifically manages which applications are allowed to run in the background. It helps control notifications, updates, and real-time app functions. Step 4. Find the toggle labeled Let Apps Run in the Background and switch it to On. Turning this on allows supported apps to continue running even when they are minimized or closed. This ensures apps can send notifications and update content automatically. Step 5. Below that main toggle, manually choose which specific apps you want to allow to run in the background. You can turn individual app switches on or off depending on your needs. This gives you full control over performance and battery usage. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.